Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. Friends, if you are the one who is looking for a job, either it is work from home, work from office, or it is internship or fresher job, experience job, and irrespective of your graduation, either you have done BTech, BSc, BCA, or your post graduation, if you are working, if you are non-working, you're a retired person, for everyone this video is going to be very very useful, because I am going to tell you about the ultimate job opportunity at one place which you were looking it from long time. Okay, so please watch the video till the end and then apply for all the jobs where you match the criteria. And definitely if you apply for more jobs, there will be a probability that you will be getting selected in either few of the companies or your dream company. Okay, so fine, now I'm going to share my screen. And friends, this platform which I'm going to talk about is perfectly genuine, because as you know, I do not advertise something, or I do not make some video which is either fake, or where you have to pay money. So here you do not have to pay any money. There is no hidden charges. You don't worry at all about that. Okay, now, so you must be thinking, sir, what is a platform name? So friends, I do not need to explain you basically. So you must be knowing about Internsala. Okay. So Internsala, widely known for its massive internship marketplace, it is also a leading platform for fresher job, publishing thousands of entry level roles across 1500 plus fields for candidate with 0 to 2 years of experience, right? And friends, I mean, it is so simple that you will be able to filter out, according to the job role, according to the location. Okay, either you want work from home or jobs in your city, part time, full time. So the interface is very very simple, and Internsala is a very good and known platform. I just want to tell you, and friends, you do not have to pay anything. And even I have told you earlier also, for any job, if they demand money, please do not apply for it now. So let us look at one of the hirings here, and please do apply as soon as possible. I explain, friends, please do not wait, because this opportunity is no, it will not be there for the long time, because there are many students, after seeing the video, they will apply, and you have to apply as soon as possible. So few hours ago only this is posted. So I will take you through some more job opportunities, but let's see this data entry operator. The salary package is 4 to 7 LPA. I will give you the complete details. And what is the experience? So zero experience is required. That means if you are a fresher also, friends, you do not have to worry. And moreover, the CTC 4 to 7 LPA, even Infosys TCS does not pay man for the freshers, with this ninja profile and all, right? And responsibility: entering, updating, and maintaining data in MS Excel spreadsheet, verifying data accuracy and identifying. So you have to go through these things, right? Generating reports and analyzing data to provide insight for the decision making, collaborating with team members to streamline and data process, ensuring data security and confidentiality at all the times, troubleshooting and resolving data entry issues in a timely manner, staying up to date with the industry trends and best practices. Okay, so if you know MS Excel, that's all, you will be able to apply. And friends, inter salano, you will be getting work from home jobs, big brand jobs, high paying jobs, which you are able to see multiple profiles across all domain, mass hiring opportunity, and many more, right? Okay, so if you want to apply, so first you need to create a profile. If you have already created, then it is very very easy. So they will ask you, confirm your availability. So yes, I am available to join immediately, and your current resume. So resume you need to upload. So when you're creating the profile, that also I'll try to show you. Okay, so there you will be able to upload your resume. Okay, so you can just click yes, I'm available to join immediately. And then if you have some custom resume, then well and good. Or if you have the old resume which you wanted to upload, then you can submit the application, right? So once you submit, it's a job placement in human resources management. Okay, so anyway, so application submitted here, you could see, right? Okay, so like this, there are a lot of job opportunities are available by different companies. Anyway, now I will show you, friends, how you can filter. So suppose if you want only work from home, so select here work from home, right? So all this like Planet Spark, part-time English tutor, next job, NXT job, India sales representative. Okay, so Baveza Media. Okay, so lot of companies are there. You could see what 1219 work from home job. Now if you're looking for part-time job, then you can go and select from here part-time job, right? So just unfilter it, and then This you can select part-time jobs, you can get it. Okay, jobs in your city, you can also place the location, put the location here, like if you want in Delhi, Agra, Akola. So every location, right? So let me put Delhi here. So let's see if Delhi, how many jobs are there, and you can select it here. Okay, so 2,408 jobs in Delhi. So you apply for multiple jobs and apply as soon as possible. Please do not wait. Okay, if you are waiting, no, then some other, see, it's like there are a lot of unemployment is there in India, and your competition is with yourself. So you have to apply as soon as possible. You just get selected. That's all. Finish. See the corporate sales associate. Okay, so 6,50,000 to 8 lakhs per annum. Human resources. So in every domain. So here you can select. The profile also, like Android app development. Sir, I want in Android app development 26. Okay, so any location. So if you do any location, 80 jobs are there. Here you can select, right? So for freshers, so see the filtering process is so nice here. Like you do not have to go to the multiple platform. This one platform itself is going to give you everything. So work from home job, work from office job, big brand jobs. Okay, high paying jobs. Okay, no experience is required. Okay, so even if you're a freshers, you have lot of job opportunity. Okay, so and here also, friends, you can also search by the company wise. Okay, so suppose you want job in Flipkart, अरे भाई ठीक है, Flipkart में भी job मिलेगा. So whichever company you want, you get a job here. Flipkart data scientist job is there, Flipkart data manager is there. Okay, so whatever the jobs are available, you will be getting in the domain which you need. Okay, so this is very simple interface. Okay, and right now I have logged in. So if you want to create a profile, I will quickly tell you. So let me first log out. And also, friends, here you can see this. Here also you can put a filter, like if you want job in Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi. Okay, top category, explore more jobs. So there are a lot of options are there, which is definitely going to help you with your this thing, right? So you just go to profile and then go to more and then log out. So I'm just trying to tell you like how you can create a profile here. So Intensala make your dream career a reality. So click on login. So you can log in with your Google, or you can log in with your email ID and password. So let me try to see login with Google. So I'll just select here one of them. Okay, so this is Pratik Srivastava, sign into Intersala, continue. Let me see. So through Google, I'm trying. You can also try with, okay, then. So first name and your last name, email ID, then contact number you can put. So 8088. Okay, then, okay, so I0 this 0 I'll remove. Okay, current city. So current city here you can place Bangalore. Okay, gender is male. And see, based on that profile which you are creating, the job will be listed to you. And then language, so language, okay, English, Hindi, whatever, Telugu, Tamil, and then freshers, okay, years of experience if you have zero, courses if you have done BE, BTech, BCom. So there are a lot of for all the cities available. Find your courses. Okay, college name. So college name, my college name is MSRIT. Okay, stream is computer science. So MS Ramaya. Okay, so you have to put the complete name. Okay, it will come anyway. And then computer science. So here you put computer science, right? Okay, start year. So let's suppose 21, end year. So let's suppose 2025. Okay, next I'm just giving some random data and I will show you how. Okay, then area of interest, so web development, software development, because that kind of jobs will be only shown to you. Okay, currently looking for jobs or internship, so work from home, in office job. So hybrid also opportunities are there, and then based on that they will be, they have given us 5,173 jobs. So this is a wonderful platform. See, the main thing is you do not have to pay anything. Okay, and this is a genuine platform. That's all. So friend, once again, please apply as soon as possible. Don't wait. Otherwise this link might get expired. A more number of student can apply. So please do apply for the job. See, you here you see junior video editor. Okay, so here also the package is 3.6 to 4 LPA. You can apply by 25th of May. 1 year of experience is required. So you can filter out the year of experience as a fresher. So then you could see, okay, then you have this field engineer trainee. Okay, so here you can go to 2.02 LPA. Okay, and then they have given the job details. Again, you can apply for this. Then another job, so junior engineer. So just click over here. So this is also for the fresher, 3 to 4 LPA package. If you're a junior engineer with a passion of logical reasoning, exceptional teamwork. So here also you can go and apply. So click on apply now. Once you create the profile, it will be very easy for you. And then, so you can upload your resume, or even you can create the resume manually. There are a lot of job opportunities which are available here. Now, for what are you waiting? Go ahead with the link given in the YouTube video description and apply for the job as soon as possible before the link expires. Till then, thank you, take care, and all the very, very best.